Hi everyone, and welcome back to Yubetsu English Cooking Time. I'm Oliver. Today we will be cooking a special New Zealand dish called Pavlova. New Zealanders love Pavlova, so they eat it at Christmas or on birthdays or any special occasion. So today we will cook Pavlova, and I hope you will enjoy this and maybe try cooking Pavlova at home. So first, let's go over the ingredients for Pavlova. What you will need is 4 egg whites. So take your eggs and take the 4 whites. So here we have just the white of the egg and 375 mils of white caster sugar. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And last, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or potato starch. So with just these 5 ingredients, we can make Pavlova. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, let's make the Pavlova. So the first step of the Pavlova is to mix the egg whites and the sugar together using an electric mixer or beater for about 15 minutes. As you are beating the egg whites, slowly add the sugar a little bit at a time. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, when this is very stiff, you want to add the other 3 ingredients. So the lemon juice, the vanilla essence, and the cornstarch or potato starch. Now mix well for another 5 minutes. So when it's thick and glossy, so very shiny like this, it's time for the next step. So the next part is you're going to take an oven tray and some baking paper. And with a pencil, draw a circle about 20 centimeters across. So 20 centimeter circle, and then face down. So that will allow you to make the size of the Pavlova. So you want to take your Pavlova mixture and put onto the paper and make as round as possible. And now we place it in the oven. So when we place this in the oven, we want to take the temperature immediately down from 180 degrees to 100 degrees and bake it at 100 degrees for 1 hour. So there we have it. It's now baking, and we'll let that bake for 1 hour at 100 degrees. Now the pavlova has cooked for 1 hour, so it's finished. But we don't take it out yet. We leave it in until the oven completely cools down. And that will stop the pavlova from cracking. So leave it in there until it's at room temperature. So now we need to decorate it with whipped cream and fruit. And today's fruit, we have kiwi fruit, melon, and strawberry. But you can use any fruit you like. You can use peaches, any berry fruit, so blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, they're all good. Or cherries, anything is okay. It's a very summer dish, so using summery fruits is a nice touch. And it adds a lot of colour and makes it look very delicious. So let's decorate it. Let's prepare the fruit and whip the cream and decorate. So we just need to spread the cream on and then decorate the fruit however you like. Last is the most important step of all, and that's eating the pavlova. So I hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and I hope you can make your own pavlova at home. If you do, please send me a photo so I can see. And remember to put lots of fruit on. It's a dish for summer, so fruit is perfect. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.